Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw cash advances from Wells Fargo credit cards, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw cash advances from your Wells Fargo credit card, start by locating your credit card. Make sure your card is active and in good standing. Next, determine your cash advance limit by checking your credit card statement or logging into your Wells Fargo online account. Look for the Available Credits section, which typically shows your cash advance limit separately. Identify a suitable ATM or bank branch that accepts your Wells Fargo credit card. Ensure that you have your personal identification number, or PIN, ready. If you do not have a PIN, you can set one up through your Wells Fargo online banking account or by calling customer service. Once at the ATM, insert your Wells Fargo credit card. Select the Withdraw Cash option from the menu. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, making sure it does not exceed your cash advance limit. Input your PIN when prompted. Confirm the transaction details on the screen. Once your transaction is approved, the machine will dispense the cash. Remember to collect your card and receipt once the transaction is complete. If you prefer to get cash from a bank teller, visit a Wells Fargo branch. Present your credit card and a valid form of identification to the teller. Request the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it is within your cash advance limit. The teller will process the transaction and provide you with the cash. Keep in mind that cash advances typically come with fees and higher interest rates than standard purchases. Review your credit card terms for details on these fees before proceeding. After withdrawing cash, start planning to pay back the amount as soon as possible to avoid additional interest charges. Utilize your Wells Fargo online account to keep track of your balance and payments. By following these steps, you can easily obtain cash advances from your Wells Fargo credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.